to me. Ooh, they make me happy. Ooh, every single day you see. Ooh, I love my family. Okay, so you're gonna locate this down here. Oh, shoot.
That action.
I know, that's action right there. Okay, it's in here somewhere. I'm gonna have to grab that later. Okay, so then you're gonna turn this, pull it out. There's the old bulb. Put that there, not forget it. And then put this one inside here. Darn it. Watch my brother-in-law do this. It looks so much easier. Wait. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna stop and look at the other one.
Go.
Okay, I got this back. It was on my bumper underneath the car. Now, I think what you do... hand. It has to go within this little thing here. So it has to be plugged in, and I can't figure out how to plug it in. That's good, baby girl. Ah, got it. I had to line it up and turn it into these little wedge things. I hope that's a good thing. Yes, it's a good thing. So look in here. There's in it, and I had to get the prong part, which was this. Here, I'm going to show it. I had to get the prong part, which is this, into those little wedges. So I had to line up all these and then turn it until the prongs got in. Oh, shoot. Now there's something else in my car. Where'd it go to? Oh, I see it. The frick. Everything keeps on. Okay, so then this one's gonna come off. We're gonna put that up here too. Engine. You're gonna line them up. Line it up. Like that. And just turn until you hear a click. If you have big hands, this might be hard. Alright. I guess now, after we get all the crap out of my car, clean it up, somehow try to find this. Where the heck is it? Did you find it? Yay! Alright, now we're going to try and see if my headlights... Well, I guess I should put the caps back on. Okay, so the caps, without dropping them, have to go back in. And turn this way. Good. And turn this way. This would be a pain in the butt. I'm not sure why they put the washer fluid so close to this. There we go. Okay, let's hear. I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna try to put the lights on.
I'm stopping.
Success. Apparently, when I went to go turn them on to show my husband to see if they work, I actually turned them off because I forgot to turn them off the last time. So then I turned them off and I'm like, oh, it's not working. He went in and he just turned it forward again. And voila. I have now fixed a headlight in my car for the first time. Yes. Alright, so Serenity's going to the dentist for the first time.
La 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 la.
Okay. And
did you guys know I have this leaf?
Here we go. Ready?
Hooray! This is gonna be
Yes,
fun,
give them to
guys.
me.
I know it is.
Okay. Thank you. Ooh, hit me in the... Oh, there we go. Alright, got to get Serenity her stuffed animals. She left them in the stroller.
Fun, fun. George and Harold, yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah, but George and Harold are from Captain Underpants, everyone. I hope you enjoy that movie.
Yeah, that's a cool movie, huh?
Uh-huh. And just like I said earlier, I have this leaf that I picked out from Mother's grass, but sometimes I put it in my hair, so it's kind of useful. Mom's buckling me in on a hot sunny day.
Why are we getting buckled in? Do you know?
Because safety, everyone.
Safety first, right? Okay. Now what do I do usually, baby girl? Can you tell me? Where do I put my purse? Do I put it up front with me?
Put it in the back.
Why do I put my purse in the back seat?
You don't want to forget me.
I don't want to forget my kids ever. Horrible stories about hot car deaths scare the crap out of me. And so I always make sure I stick my purse in the back, usually by the baby. Because Serenity talks and talks and talks. So usually by the baby I will put there. But today my husband took the baby to Goodwill because I'm taking Serenity to the dentist. You ready to get going and rocking and rolling?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Fun.
All right, we're on our way to the dentist. Here we go.
Mom, wait.
What happened?
I was tightening my seatbelt.
Let's try this again. I'm going to be late to this dentist appointment. I know I should have left 10-15 minutes ago. So Serenity and I just had our dentist appointment. My teeth look better than they have forever. I hadn't gone to the dentist in 2 years because the last time I went I had a really bad experience at this place called Dental Dreams. But this place is amazing. It is called, let me see, Schumann and Schwab. Schumann and Schwab. And it was really good. A baby tooth. I still have a baby tooth at 33 years old. They were telling me I have to get it pulled. So I had to make an appointment for that. But here's Serenity. They gave her a glove.
Guys, watch this. I want you to see how
Show
I
them your
do
teeth. Show them your teeth. You have something on your eyeball. Okay, show them your teeth. So nice, right? All right. Can you show them what you got, Serenity? All right, and they gave her prizes. Oh, hurry up.
Everyone.
Show them. I don't want to block the doorway.
Everyone.
What are you doing? brand new toothbrush.
It's a Nemo one, not
Mm-hmm.
the Dory one like I already have.
Okay, and what else did you get?
Okay, where is it? Where is my other surprise for them? There it is.
What is that?
A bee. I named it Buzzy.
A Buzzy Bee? Now, do you like the dentist?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the dentist?
Blowing up my glove.
She was real cool and she gave you that glove, right?
Wait.
Sure. All right. So then this is going to be the end of today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.